Okay, now that you've done some research on animal behavior, I want you to be a scientist. And what scientists do is they observe and they do some observation, and while they're looking at something and watching something, they're using knowledge that they already have. So you guys have had a lot of knowledge. You've gained a lot of knowledge about what different animals do. You've gained knowledge about what living things are, what they need, and now I want you to just observe. So you're going to get a piece of paper. It could be a blank piece of paper from maybe your mom or dad or somebody printed something extra. It could be just a piece of paper around in your house. It could be a sticky note. I'm using this. It's just a little notepad. Okay, and I want you to set a timer at your house for 5 minutes. Okay, and in that 5 minutes, you have two choices. You could go outside with an adult permission, or you could stay inside. You are going to be watching an animal for 5 minutes, okay? So, for example, if I went outside at my house, we have a ton of squirrels in our yard, I would probably sit and watch the squirrels. And we have squirrels in the trees. They run on the fence. They jump in the yard. They're doing all kinds of things. And I'm just going to write down what I see, maybe even make a picture. So I'm watching this animal for 5 minutes, and I'm trying to see what is their behavior. What are they doing? Why are they doing that? Okay. If you do something in your house, I'd like you to look at a pet. So if you're staying inside, you should be watching a pet. You could look at, like, for example, I might watch Kevin, our pet lizard, and I might just watch him for 5 minutes to see what he does. Now, Kevin does a lot of hiding. He likes those dark, warm places. Kevin does some hunting because he likes to eat crickets. But I'm just going to watch him for 5 minutes and see what he does. Now, he may not move at all, so I might have to take another 5 minutes at a different time. But I want you just to spend some time looking and thinking about what is their behavior. Why are they doing that? You might choose to watch your cat. You might choose to watch a fish. Pick any animal that you can even see and set a timer and watch it for 5 minutes. You notice what kind of behaviors they have. Now that you're a scientist and you have more information, I'll bet you can pick out some behaviors and think about why are they doing that. Okay, so have fun. I do want to talk about this on Monday when we share, so I'd love to hear some ideas about what you noticed about animals and how they behave.